Planet Earth is our home. It shelters and nourishes us. It gives us life. In return for the gift of life, we should take care of our home. Today, many people and organizations are making an effort to do so. The National Center for Employee Development facility in Norman, Oklahoma is one such organization. Over 23,000 students visit on an annual basis, including over 18,000 conference rooms booked at the housing facility. The Marriott housing facility consists of 6 stories and 445,000 square feet. The main learning center is 293,000 square feet. The waste potential for these two facilities is enormous. Fortunately, the NCED staff have taken measures to cut down, if not eliminate, many areas where waste could be a problem. Recycling items from cardboard to batteries is one area that NCED shines in. During 2008, 33.7 tons of cardboard were recycled, earning NCED an Environmental Achievement Award from Corrugated Services Incorporated. In the first quarter of 2009, NCED recycled 7.125 tons of cardboard and is participating with the Marriott housing facility to add to its recycling program. Batteries. Everyone uses them, and the NCED campus is no exception. However, instead of throwing them away, there is a battery recycling program here. This came about due to the request of several instructors. Currently, due to the cost of battery recycling, NCED only accepts batteries generated internally. Along with batteries, fluorescent light bulbs are another widely used item that is recycled. NCED collects all used fluorescent light bulbs and even some used lamps from letter sorting machines. They are stored securely until environmental light recyclers can pick them up. With the current remodeling of the 1,000 rooms at the Marriott housing facility, there is a huge amount of carpet that was able to be sent off for recycling. At the main learning center, there is 180,000 square feet of carpet that is going to be replaced. This carpet cannot be recycled due to its rubber backing. Track Supervisor Jeff Ross took the initiative to see if some local schools and churches would like the carpet being recycled at the main learning center for their use. Currently, 4 churches and 1 school are participating. One of the most successful recycling programs at NCED is the Metal Recycling Program. Started in 2008, this program generates revenue that goes into the United States Postal Service General Fund. A metal recycling company in Oklahoma City pays NCED for the scraps. They leave a dumpster on site for the metal scraps to be deposited and picked up on an as-needed basis. A paper recycling program is in development at NCED. In the past, companies have stopped picking up recyclable paper from NCED, stating it's no longer cost-effective for them. The company that MTSC currently uses will hopefully change this. Along with recycling, preservation is another area where NCED shines. One very simple yet effective initiative taken to clean up water is the oil water separator. This is a system that consists of a sump located just under the shipping dock and a pump room located next to the sump. Rainwater and pollutants left by motor vehicles travel down the dock and into the sump. There, solid contaminants settle to the bottom, while oil rises to the top, leaving water in the middle. The water then flows via gravity through another sump, and the process is repeated. The end product is clean water that is sent to the pond for the students, staff, and animals at NCED to enjoy. This system uses almost no energy and is maintained on a weekly basis by the track's maintenance team. From rainwater runoff to water being used inside the main learning center, NCED goes above and beyond again. On-demand hot water heaters are currently being used to heat water for the entire learning center. The old water heaters were over 20 years old and needed to be replaced. They were only 58% energy efficient, which meant at the cost of $2.87 per hour, only $1.67 went to heating the water and $1.20 went out the exhaust. New replacement traditional hot water heaters, while more efficient, would have cost the facility approximately $25,000. With the on-demand water heaters, the initial cost is $9,600 and they are 98% energy efficient. The hourly cost for these is $1.53 per hour to heat the water, and only 3 cents per hour is lost through the exhaust. Track's HVAC management and staff were responsible for discovering and implementing these new heaters. Next door to the hot water heaters is the chilling room. These chillers are the air conditioning for the entire main learning center. The Track's HVAC team discovered that using the variable speed chiller unit in the winter saves energy costs and increases efficiency. During the summer, when the temperature is over 60 degrees Fahrenheit, the variable speed chiller is shut down and the high output chillers are brought online. In the spring and fall, when the temperature is below 60 degrees, outside air is brought in to assist with the cooling effect of the chillers, thus making the chillers work less year-round, saving energy and money. These initiatives have greatly reduced the energy consumption of NCED, saved the facility money, and in some cases generated revenue for the United States Postal Service. Efforts made by the TRAX team and others to maintain and implement current or new initiatives will ensure the continued high standard NCED practices to keep the environment clean.